Wait, two AI tools just dropped, Seedream 5.0 and Seedance 2.0. And I'm about to show you a hack to use them completely free. No subscription, nothing. But first, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Alright, let me show you exactly how to get these tools completely free. Watch closely. This is where most people get stuck. On the left, I'm typing a prompt into Seedream 5.0. Instantly, it generates a stunning, detailed AI image. And not just any image, but one that looks professional, realistic, and creative. On the right, I type a prompt into Seedance 2.0, and boom, a full video appears in seconds. This is what people pay hundreds for, but you can get it for free. Notice the speed, the clarity, the quality. This is next-level AI. Let's break down Seedream 5.0. This isn't your regular AI image generator. It has AI thinking built in, meaning it can understand context, style, and even the subtle details you want. And it's smarter than ever because it searches the web in real time while generating your image. You type something as simple as "epic futuristic city at sunset," and it instantly creates a professional, cinematic quality image that would take hours for a human to design. You can create portraits, illustrations, digital art, or realistic landscapes. Designers, artists, content creators, this is the tool that makes your imagination come to life faster than ever.
Now Seedance 2.0. This is the game changer for video creation. Imagine taking a simple text prompt like "a cat exploring Mars in a cinematic style" and turning it into a full video in seconds. That's right, type it, hit generate, and the AI produces professional quality clips instantly. You can create cinematic footage, animated scenes, realistic simulations, or even explainer-style videos without ever touching a camera. It's perfect for creators, marketers, educators, or anyone who wants to produce videos fast. And the best part? It's intuitive, fast, and designed to save you hours of work. Every clip you see here is generated from just a text prompt. That's the future of video production. Here's why this hack matters. Most people assume these tools are expensive, subscription after subscription, tier after tier. But the secret is out, and it's simple to access. And big creators don't want you to know this. Do you want the full hack? Then comment below, hit that notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. Because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock Seedream 5.0 and Seedance 2.0 for free. You won't want to miss it. Cap. On the left, Seedream 5.0 is creating jaw-dropping images with AI thinking and real-time web search. On the right, Seedance 2.0 is transforming simple text into full cinematic quality videos. The possibilities are endless, and now you know there's a way to access it for free. Don't wait. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready for the full hack in the next video. Try these tools now and start creating like a